Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling the essentials. Open settings and allow installation from unknown sources. This lets you sideload apps. Once done, make sure your Fire tablet is charged and on Wi-Fi so downloads don't fail. You also will want location turned on because Google Earth uses GPS for positioning. Now, you'll download the minimal Google Play components, Play services, and the Play Store so that Google Earth can run correctly. Follow each prompt carefully. Don't skip permission requests. Next, you install Google Play components in order. First the Google Services Framework, then Google Play Services, and finally the Play Store. This order resolves dependencies. Make sure each APK version matches your Fire OS, otherwise you'll get crashes. After installing the main services, reboot the tablet to register services with the system, then sign into the Play Store with your Google account. You may see update prompts. Allow them so Google Earth gets the latest support libraries. Finally, install Google Earth, either from the Play Store you just enabled or by sideloading the compatible APK. Open Google Earth, grant location and storage permissions, and allow any prompts for map data. The app will download imagery on demand. If it won't start, clear the app cache and data, then reboot the tablet and try again. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall Play services first, then Google Earth. This usually fixes permission conflicts and version mismatches, so you can explore the globe smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.